name is Reja from Colortech India, and today I want to give you all a little brief about a product called Edisso. Edisso is basically a liquid granite coating. You can see it comes in a pack size over here. It's called the US drum size. In Edisso, we can do application on top of wood, on top of metal, on top of glass, and today we have done something new. We have done the liquid granite fluted panels in the Edisso, which you can see over here. So they have been fluted to this particular design, and then they have been coated with Edisso by Colortech. You can see that we have multiple different patterns that we can do in our factory, and then create these amazing liquid granite fluted designs for your sites. You can see any color in this product is very easily achievable and possible. You can see whites, you can see blues, you can see greens, you can see a little bit of a dark grayish color. There's like a knife wave color pattern over here that you all are able to see. So all of these fluted designs are now ready and available with us. Please let us know about your requirement. Any color you need, we can give you.